I had one of those days today. So today's vlog is very short. Just see it as life. Life happens. Things happen. Here's what happened. This morning my feet and legs were very cold. I took a little fan heater and put it on my feet and legs. I sat behind the desk and I saw, okay, but my feet is wet. And I called Lydia and I asked her to bring me some socks. As I took off my socks, it was blisters and some of the skin came off. So we are on our way to the hospital now. I'm not even going to show my feet. This is very stressful. Andre is a bit cross maybe because he said to me, how many times are you sure the heater is not too hot on your feet and your legs? And I said no, I'm sure it's not. And yes, there we go. It's a mess. Stephen is with us to just help with the umbrella in the rain because it's very rainy outside. And Andre is very quiet.
What's the mood?
He's the mood info. Okay, yeah, it's not a joke. It's very serious, but still, you know, let's just make it a bit lighter. And then we've still got a fog problem in the car. Andre is not a happy person.
He was born with that thing in his hands. Okay.
We've got the calls of the beep 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 beep. There's a lead missing or something. Kind of a posh machine. This is just flippin' stressful. Bed issue. The nurse just asked me from where am I paralyzed and I said D12. She said, oh, D12. Okay. Oh, here's the second thing. You can't feel anything. No. So you can only see it, but you don't feel it. Yes, my girl, yes. I'm starting to get depressed here, not because of what happened. If you are in hospital, you start to think of life, and I get a flashback of our accident. Oh, it's just not cool, hey?
Somebody's being negative. I'm gonna go.
I've got a major wee and I have to catheter, and I can't do it now because we have to wait for the doctor. I've I've got all my catheters and stuff over here. Okay, we are on our way home. I'm not a happy person. This is twisted. I am extremely stressed out about my body. It's difficult to live in a body like this. I have to deal with pain 24/7. I have to deal with my bladder and my tummy. I'm really trying to look after my body. I go and I lay on the bed 10 times a day and I put cream on my bum for pressure, to relieve some pressure. Andre massages my feet. He massages my legs. I really try and get the blood circulation going a few times a day. And now this. Sometimes it feels to me like some people who just couldn't give a they just glide through life. And you know, if something like this happens to you, for instance, the accident, you've got all these question marks. It breaks you. Emotionally it breaks you. You have to stay strong. I have to stay strong for everyone in my life. I've got mixed emotions. Tomorrow I'll be better. I got the most awesome message from one of my friends I met at a wedding. We just had a connection. So she sent me this awesome message and I feel a lot better. I told her that I'm in this black box today. Hang on, there's a cramp. Oh! Okay, back to the awesome message. It was a hectic cramp, but I'm glad I get them because then the pain stops for a while. I said to her, I'm in this black box today. After a message, I see light through a little hole. And that means a lot. So thank you, Yampie. I appreciate it. After supper, Andre complained about a heavy pain just under his rib cage. I'm very worried about him. He worked through the pain today. Then it was this nonsense. We had to rush to the hospital. I mean, I couldn't drive with feet with no bandages or shoes or nothing. If I get into the car, I always bump my foot against the pedals. That's why I want them to remove those pedals out of my car. I have to be at the wound clinic very early in the morning, or I'll just give them a call so that they can organize the specialist. They have to phone the doctor first, and then this doctor has to phone the specialist, and then we'll see if I can get an appointment. This doctor is from Johannesburg, so maybe I will have to drive to Johannesburg. I'm not too sure if I want to drive to Johannesburg with these bandages, and I have to keep my feet up in the air because of the pressure. Since the accident, the lower part of my legs and my feet are swollen most of the time, especially during summertime. I don't want that pressure on the blisters and the wounds as well. We'll see in the morning. I'll make a plan then, and then we'll take it from there. I have to go and shower now. I think I'll take some plastic bags and tie them around my ankles so that the bandages don't get wet. And lastly, a big thank you for everyone in my life. From Andre, my mom, my family, my staff, my friends, you guys. I haven't even met most of you guys, and I've got a connection because there's a lot of interaction, a lot of mails, messages. Thank you for that. Thank you for the support. Thank you for all your prayers, and just thanks for everything. Everyone is awesome in my life. Thank you. Till tomorrow, everyone. Cheers.